Hey y'all, my name's Mr. Cotton. I teach AP Biology at Timber Creek High School. This is my 9th year teaching here, but before that I taught AP Biology for 7 years at your school at Fossil Ridge. Loved it there, only moved here because my son, our feeder pattern goes through here and I wanted to teach at his school. Anyway, as I understand it, you guys don't have a full-time replacement AP Biology teacher yet, and so I was going to see if maybe I could help a little bit along the way with like providing at least videos so you don't feel like you're getting so far behind, kind of in the mix until you get a full-time teacher. So I wanted to show you how this will work. Down below in the description, there'll be a link. So if you click on that, you'll be able to see what I have over here. So let me switch. All right, so over here, when you click on that link, you'll find this stuff. And there's really only 3 things that you care about. So each year, like last year, 22, 23, I video all my classes, I put the notes on here and everything else. So the reason I'm not giving you my ones from this year is they're not complete yet. Like they're up to date right now. I don't know what order you guys learn stuff in with Mr. Ham. And so I want to make sure that you can kind of like see everything and say like, we've done that. We haven't done this, so like here's where we're at. So if I were you, there are 3 places I would click. I'm going to walk you through basically how to use it. It'll take a total of 5 minutes. So syllabus, I want that. AP Bio notes, I want that. And AP Bio class vids, I want that. So syllabus, I'll click that. And it's exactly what it sounds like. It's just a real quick kind of almost like a one-liner for each thing, syllabus. And I can just kind of scroll through day by day by day. It doesn't matter that like right now it's November when I'm shooting this video. If I'm you, I'm like organelles done. That, we've done. Okay, here's where I'm at. So I think I need the stuff that Mr. Cotton teaches on October 20th and 21st last year. That's what I would need now. So, all right, cool. That's cellular respiration, Krebs cycle, glycolysis, NAD+, FAD, that kind of thing. All right, great. So now that's how I use the syllabus. Then notes. In my videos, I reference notes and some diagrams sometimes, so I want to get those notes and get those diagrams so that I like have a paper copy or digital copy while I'm like watching this dude's videos. So next I'll go to notes. I'll click on that. I'll find the unit I'm in, ATP, CR, that's cellular respiration and photosynthesis. So I'll click on that, and then I can click on the notes right here. Notes will always have just kind of like chapter notes, exactly what it sounds like, and then the last page was my test review that I gave my students. So if that kind of helps you to sort of figure out what's important and what's not. Within there, we use the same book that you guys do. So I'm not sure if you guys are using first edition or second, but your book is called Principles of Life, and the first author is Hillis. That's the same book we do. So whenever I'm referring to stuff, it's going to refer to the same book that you guys have. Again, you guys might have the kind of brownish one that's the first edition, or you might have kind of a black one that's the second edition. So there might be very slight variations. So like let's say that I click on this diagram right here. This is a diagram of a mitochondria that I made. And so in like the video, I might reference this. And so now I can kind of like, print that thing off. It's lengthwise. I can rotate it if I need to. When I have it in a PDF. All right, cool. So let's say I print off the notes, I print off that diagram, and now I know what I saw. Oops, let me back up one more. So back to that original. I looked at the syllabus. I know that I wanted like October 20th, 21st, that kind of topic. I went and got the notes on that topic. Now I went and got the notes on that topic. Now I want to go and watch the videos on that topic. So class vids. This is probably the most helpful part, finding a syllabus and finding a set of notes. You can find that all over online. But the class vids, each video is unlisted. So you can't just search like Timber Creek High AP Biology or something like that. You won't find it because they're all unlisted. I did that on purpose to try to keep it a little bit more private, just because student voices are on the video sometimes if they ask questions or whatever. So you do have to get there from this page unless you know the exact address for each individual video. So again, we were looking for October 20th and 21st. I can tell that's a link because it's blue, and I'll click it. Like this is the YouTube video, and you're like, great. So, hang on just a second. Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So, in there, some old lady talking about intro to the human brain, but let me turn down the volume. So that's a video of me teaching some cellular respiration stuff. Let me turn off the lights a little bit. And so, for example, at the very beginning of this video, that little handout that I had you download, you're like, oh, that drawing, he's referencing this drawing. Where can I get that? Well, you download it back with the notes page. So I'm kind of showing stuff there and then explaining stuff over here. And sometimes I'm on this camera, and sometimes I'm over there explaining something. Sometimes I'm over here on like this camera, and I just kind of switch back and forth like that. Trying to think if there's anything else. So again, along the way, one of the kind of cool things is just like right now, I can switch back and forth if I want to talk to you on this one a little bit better so that you can see what I'm doing on the board, you can. So what's good about this is if you want to major in bio, you're wanting to go into medicine, you're concerned about, am I going to be behind? Can we get caught up before the AP Bio test in May? Maybe this can help you out. I don't have a lot of other like handout type things. It's a lot more college style where it's like notes and lecture discussion type of stuff. So I don't have like a lot of worksheets or anything like that. But anyway, hopefully it helps a little bit. And best of luck to you guys until you get your new teacher. I'm sure your new teacher will be great. So good luck out there. Not that you need it. See ya.